Hello everybody, today we will continue solving AMC 8 questions 2023. The question we are on is question 9. So let's read the question. Malaika is skiing on a mountain. The graph below shows her elevation in meters above the base of the mountain as she skies along a trail. In total, how many seconds does she spend at an elevation between 4 and 7 meters? Yes, please. So let's read the graph. This is y-axis represent elevation in meters. X-axis represent time in seconds. In y-axis, each unit is 1 meter because this is 2. This means this is 1 meter, 2, 3, 4. This is a very critical point for us. 5, 6, and then we need to find 7 meters. 7 meters is here. So we are going to look at when she is going to be between 4 meter and 7 meter, or 7 meter to 4 and 4 meter. So she starts at an elevation of 14 meters. She's coming downwards. At this point, she is at an elevation of 7 meters. She's going down. At this point, she's at an elevation of 4 meters. So let's find 7 meters at the second and 4 meters at the fourth second. Okay, so between 2 and second and then fourth seconds. So she is at an elevation between 4 and 7 meters. Let's continue. She's below 4 meters right now. And then when it comes here, 6 seconds. Elevation is 4. It's going up. Here, elevation is 7 again. And then 10 seconds. After that one is above 7. At this point, again, the elevation is 7 meters. And it's going down, she's going down. At this point, elevation is 4 meters. Okay, this means between 12th and 14th seconds. So she is at an elevation between 7 and 4 meters. So this means total 2 seconds here, 4 seconds here, and then plus 2 seconds. Total 8 seconds she is between, or she spends between at an elevation between 4 and 7 meters. So this is the answer. Okay, question 10. Okay, so Harold, we are looking at what Harold does. Harold made a plum pie to take on a picnic. He was able to eat only 1/4 of the pie, and he left the rest for his friends. A moose came by and ate 1/3 of what Harold left behind. After that one, a porcupine ate 1/3 of what the moose left behind. How much of the original pie still remained after the porcupine left. Okay, so then there are several actions. So we have again, let's start with the things, and then people, Harold, and after the Harold, moose. We have a moose, and then next we have a porcupine. Okay, so and then what are they doing? They are eating. Let's say ate or eat. Okay, so then after eat, let's find total eaten and then left. Okay, so let's continue. The total of the pie. Okay, so let's draw something. And then 1/3 is eaten. 1/3 is eaten by who? Harold. So 1/3. Or let's put the total. 1/3 is eaten. Okay. Total eaten is again 1/3, and then what is left is 2/3. Okay, this is what's going to happen after Harold is done eating. The moose, if he eat, he was able to eat 1/4. Okay, let's change it. So rather than 1/3, it's going to be 1/4. So 1 second. 1/4. Sorry, I took your time again. Okay, let's continue again. Harold ate 1/4. And total eaten is 1/4. Nobody else ate. And then what is left? 3/4 is left. Let's continue. He left the rest for his friends. A moose came by and ate 1/3 of what Harold left behind. Okay, what is the let's say what is the proportion? Harold left is 3/4. 1/3 of 3/4. 1/3 of 3/4. The result will be, let's cancel this ones out. 1/4 is eaten by the moose. Okay, so total eaten, Harold ate 1/4, moose ate 1/4, total eaten is 2/4, or if we simplify, half. Okay, half is eaten, this means half is left. Okay, then this is what Harold has eaten, and then the second one, what moose has eaten, and then let's continue with porcupine. After that, a porcupine ate 1/3 of what the moose left behind. What the moose left behind? Half. 1/2 times 1/3 is going to be 1/6. 1/6. Okay, porcupine ate 1/6. 1/2 or half is eaten by Harold and moose, and porcupine ate 1/3. So if we expand, this is going to be 3/6. This is going to be 2/6. Total is going to be 5. 3 plus 2/6. 5/6 is eaten total. and then if we can find what is left, 1 minus 5 over 6 is going to be 1 over 6, of course. The question, what is how much of the original pie still remained after porcupine left? This is the question, and then our answer is going to be actually we made a mistake here. When we add porcupine eat 1/6, but mistakenly I wrote 1 over 3. You should have 1 over 6, because this is the result. Half plus 1 over 6, half was eaten by Harold and Moose, and then 1/6 is eaten by porcupine. It's going to be, so we don't need to do anything, it's going to be 4 over 6, or 2 over 3 is eaten. And then what is left? 1 minus 2 over 3 is going to be 1 over 3 left. The answer is going to be D. Okay, so this is an estimation question. Let's read. NASA's Perseverance rover was launched on July 30, 2020. After traveling some miles, it's a long one, 292,526,838 miles, it landed on Mars in Jezero crater about 6.5 months later. Which of the following is the closest to the rover's average interplanetary speed in miles per hour? Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to write miles. So it's going to be, we are going to just write the numbers. Okay, 6.5 months later. Okay, but we need to convert this one into the hour. Okay, we know how many hours, we don't know yet, but how we can find? So question mark. But question mark, we know that 6.5 months. 6.5 months. To convert this one to days, so in each day 1 month we have 30 days. So this will be gone. Now we have only days, and then again in one day we have 24 hours. Okay, so then days are gone, and then the result is going to be equals to 6.5 times 30 times 24. Okay, so then what we need to find is what is the result of this number 292,526,838 all over 6.5 times 30 times 24. Okay, so we are going to make estimation because we are not allowed to use calculator as far as I know. Okay, so what can we do? Okay, so we can do what? We can round it. We can round it rather than using this one, because the options are very far away from each other. If we make some calculations, small rounding, I think there will be no problem. Rather than this one, I will take this number. I increased a little bit. Okay, so this is 3 times 10 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, over. Okay, so let's use 30. Okay, 24 times 6.5. Okay, so let's do this calculation. 24 times 6.5 is going to be 4 times 5 is going to be 20. 2 times 5 is 10 plus 2, 12. 6 times 4 times 6 is 24. We have 2. 2 times 6 is going to be 12. Plus 2 is going to be 14. So when we add them together, 0, 6, we have 5, 1. So, and then we shouldn't. Yes, sorry. So we should put here 156. 156. Rather than using 156, I am going to use 150. I think it's not going to cause a lot of problem. Okay, so 3, 30, 10. Okay, so I'm going to write this one 15 times 10. So then 10, 10. So it's going to be 10 to the power 6 over 15. Okay. So what's going to happen? So again, these are not equal. These are, we are finding something approximate. So what's going to happen? 10 to the power 6 divided by 15. If we divide, let's do it. 100 times 10 to the power 4 divided by 15. Then we divide by 15. So it's going to be like something like around 6 point something. Let's assume this is around 6. Okay, 10 to the power 4. This means we need to put 6, and then we need to put 30 after it, and then our answer is going to be C. Okay. Now I think I need to do some cleaning, or let's use this. Okay. The figure below shows a large white circle with a number of smaller white and shaded circles in its interior. What fraction of the interior of the large white circle is shaded? Let's look at where it's shaded. This place is shaded. This is shaded. This is shaded, and then this part. Okay. So I'm going to assume is the radius is 1 unit. Okay, or yeah, 1. Okay, this is 1 unit as well, this is 1 unit as well. Normally it's possible to think this one as 1 over 2, but to make it easier I am assume that this is 1 unit, this is 1 unit and 1 unit. Okay, so this is 2 units, this is also 2 units, and this is 4 units. The biggest one, the biggest circle is 6 units. Okay, so let's find the ratio. Okay, so let's find the shade. Okay, so what we need to do to find shaded area over, I mean the whole area of the greatest circle. All the area is going to be pi r squared, pi times 6 squared, 36. It's going to be 36 pi. So the smaller ones, pi r squared, pi r squared, pi r squared, pi r squared, r is 1. And then we have 3 of this, plus, let's add these ones and then remove the smaller one. Okay, shaded area. So let's add this one, pi r squared, r is 4 units. Okay, 4 squared is going to be 16. Okay, but these are not shaded. Minus pi r squared, so 2 squared is 4. We have the same thing, pi 4. So when we calculate, okay, so let's write a little bit down here, equals 3 pi plus 16 pi minus 4 pi minus 8 pi over 36 pi. So the result is going to be 11 pi all over 36 pi. The answer is going to be choice B.